السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أصحابتا قالي قدونكم ملك استاك جوكتا وان سلامنا وبلاشينا كلتون كافية سودا وهذا channel كان غفير سنة سان وكلتون كافية channel أصحابتا قالي مانتا channel كيك وحاكو عسوب على
she's YouTuber.
she is a YouTuber. Come from where are you from?
I'm from Syria and I grew up in Egypt.
Huh?
I'm from Syria and I grew up in Egypt.
In Egypt.
Yeah.
waxay ka imaatay Syria waxay ku kortayna Egypt ku kortay magaceeda waa Ala waaye and your nationality is Syrian.
Yeah.
Syria waaye. Okay. Amina Kale.
Yes, midna aan ku darsado Syria waxa weeyaan Ala saaxiibaday waaye and she's my best friend. Channelkeedii subscribe saara.
Waa kana u saaran yahay. Inshallah. Come my dear.
She's our friend and please subscribe her channel and support her because she's not from Somalia but she come here and we must need to help her.
Okay,
right?
where are you from?
I am half from Somalia, half from Malaysia, half from Pakistan.
No, seriously, where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Okay, maanta waxaa meesha noo taagan from Syria, Somalia, Pakistan. Yay, maanta waxaa waaye tartan waayay waxaa lagu tartamayaa world flags. World flags. Okay, now we're going to start. Okay, flags mix. Okay, it's mix the whole world.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start with who?
Syria.
Syria. Okay.
Zambia, which one? In the flag.
Zimbabwe. Allah raba Zambia ma. Zimbabwe. Okay, you failed?
Failed?
Yes. Give to the next. Somalia bay hadirtaan maraysaa.
Somaha.
Somalia, come on. Zimbabwe flag. No, now she failed. Somalia failed too.
Pakistan, yeah?
Pakistan, which one is Zimbabwe flag?
Yeah.
Yes, two choices. One.
I know.
Which one? All of you failed.
Alhamdulillah.
So, it's 0.
Okay.
Okay, now this is Zimbabwe.
Okay, we know now.
Okay.
Now you know. Zimbabwe is in Africa. Okay? Now comes
Somalia.
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 Miss Somalia.
Ethiopia.
Yes.
Ethiopia.
Yes.
Ethiopia.
Wow.
So Somalia have won.
Somalia idin maxaa baynaya ka baqanina.
Wallahi. We will see. Okay. Now is my dear
Tanzania.
Tanzania flag. Tanzania flag so star walaalo. Can you choose one? Which one is Tanzania?
Yes, I know.
Huh?
I can choose it.
Wafududa ayagu sahaadiya.
Haddaba wax fudud kugu soo aaday. Yes.
Yeah, niyan Pakistan one.
So now Syria 0, Somalia 1, Pakistan 1. waayahay haddeertaan waxaa ku aadinaynaa.
I'm not sure.
Just choose one.
NATO. Dino. Yeah.
Just use your luck. You failed?
Kenke, you
Yeah,
fail.
you
This
failed.
one.
Wait, you can't touch another one.
Okay. What? I want to choose that. Oh, okay.
So now it's Amina because
My-
no,
yeah.
this one was for her, but you take it from her. Ayada ka qaadatay soo ma faa'iideysi waa.
Yes, aniga waay.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now it's you. Somalia have 2, Syria have 0, Pakistan have 1. Now it's Amina's turn.
Tasmiya.
You're wrong. Come on, Pakistan. Oh.
Niyadan ka dhahay Maldives
Now it's gone.
waaye.
Well, now it's for
Naina.
Naina.
2 for Naina.
2 for Naina, 2 for
Okay. 0 for me.
0 for you. Thailand.
Yes. I recall, because all color is same.
Yes, that's why it's supposed to be same color. Which one? Titiri. You have to answer now or else I will take it. Yes. Correct.
3.
Now 3, 2, 0. Wait, now it's for. wax aad u adaga ku soo aadayo.
It's so difficult for me.
Maskiinta.
Sorry, name. Oh.
Oh.
Finally one.
Whoa, she got. Now it's for Amina.
Amina.
Hi.
Hi.
Aad u fudud.
Nasiib aa leedahay no.
Oh,
United Kingdom.
Okay, now it's for you.
you are three.
3, 2. She have 2 or 3? 3.
Yeah.
Okay, now if you answer, you're going to have 4. Wow, Pakistan ba hogaaminaysa ciyaarta. Yes.
Okay, iyada waaye marka.
4.
Ma iyada waaye.
No, it's for her. Okay, now it's for Syria.
She's
Syria is at Keno.
Okay, I'm trying.
Ooh, you got it?
Yeah.
Wow, she have 2. Amina, you have 3. She have 4. Somalia have 2, 3. Pakistan have 4. Syria have 2. War yaarayni doona talow. Hey, you're wrong. Take the microphone.
This?
Wallahi.
Believe?
No, you're wrong. You only have 2 choices remaining.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You failed.
I'm not sure.
Wait, we will see. Okay. Because if you did not fail, this will not come out. Wait, I will remove it. See, I know you failed. This is Nepal, this is
markii ugu horeysay inaan taatay rabin laakiin waa iska daayay.
this is Belize.
Okay.
Waayahay.
Okay, ani waaye markan.
Now
For me.
is your turn.
Yeah. iyadoo sooti hadda qaladay anoo ka faa'iideeyay ka faa'iideeyay.
Ka faa'iideysiyo ahaa. Ka faa'iideysiga tan waxa tan soo giftay marka hore.
Marka iyada miya?
Ayada ka faa'iideystay hadda ayada waay marka. This is your turn now. Okay, now. Netherlands.
You know?
Yes.
You know?
If you don't know, somebody knows it.
One time I play with you also. The flags.
Okay.
Oh, three wana soo gaadhay ya?
Wallahi adiga yada 3 list
Yeah.
4 haysta.
Wana soo gaadhay macnaha intii badnayd wana soo gaadhay.
3-3. Yalla.
Yeah, 3-3.
Somalia and Syria boss isku cariirsanayso meesha ee Pakistan ay waxay taagan tahay banaanka. Whose turn is this?
For me.
Ha, min wax ka nasiib badan.
Aamina la kii wala oran jiray.
Wallahi you're so lucky.
Oh, Malaysia.
You tell her wrong. You tell her wrong.
Malaysia 4 4 3.
Mongolia.
Come in front, don't run from the camera. Mongolia. Mongolia. Mongolia.
Yalla.
Come on if you don't know. Somebody must know.
Bravo.
Wow. 5.
Nasiibkii aadinaya.
5.
5.
What the?
Which flag? Which flag is that?
Of course not Oman.
Hey.
Yeah, maybe.
Dun, ta-da.
You know? Anyone know?
Maybe.
She is Somalia. Don't ask her.
Okay, wait. Smell like. Wrong. Wrong.
Wrong.
Okay, hadda isku dayo.
Don't take no man. Of course not Oman.
Not Oman.
Yeah.
Don't tell her.
Yeah,
You-
yeah.
You don't care where she takes Oman or what. I know. Yes.
What's this? What's this?
6. It's already gone.
6.
Wow. Pakistan 6. Somalia 4
3.
3. Why are you living? Okay. Now it's easy.
Ani waaye.
No.
My turn, but I don't know. Tell me.
Did you fail yours? You failed yours, right? It's for Hannah.
She don't know.
Oh, this one. Oh.
For me
Amina.
waaye.
Yours is
Yeah, yeah.
the one she said.
Yeah.
Amina.
Okay, this one is this.
Bravo. 5, 3.
Now for you. Somehow. Huh.
You know, I didn't play this game before.
Huh.
Oh.
Whoa, she failed. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra.
You know, anyone does? Somehow.
laakiin waan ku
This
nasiibsanaa
one. Right?
Don't tell her this one.
Yes.
You can?
If you tell her, it's up
Yes.
to you. She will win.
I think yes, you will.
No,
No, she will win. Hey. Now she have four.
No, I press.
No, because they press 2 times.
Yeah,
Yeah,
laba
I
jeer
press
tabatay.
2 times. So
You are not supposed to press 2
Yeah,
times,
yeah.
so the point goes to Somalia. Okay?
yeah,
6
so
6,
3
3.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
okay
Wala,
aniga waaye iyada u dhiibtay aniga
I
waaye
didn't play this.
Hadda soo ma ku dhiibin.
maxay ka faa'iidaysigii maysan ahayn
Okay. It's you?
yaa ka faa'iidaysigii waaye
Okay.
sax
Yeah.
For me, yeah.
If because she pressed 2 times,
Ah.
then comes to her
Yeah,
automatically.
Okay. Go ahead.
yaa
New Zealand.
New Zealand allo laba isku eeg maxaan sameeyaa ka saxdaa soo maaha
Yeah.
ka saxdaa
Bravo.
yeah oh my
7.
yeah
Okay.
okay iyada waaye
Easy.
I told you wrong. I told you wrong.
I don't care. It's up to you. You have 6. She have 7.
Wrong. I want wrong.
Okay. You want wrong. You want to lose.
Yes.
You want Pakistan to lose.
No, Pakistan don't win.
Yes. Yes. She want Pakistan to lose. You guys, all Pakistani people.
okay
Why?
iyada waaye iyada waaye
Yeah.
You
No,
have 4.
iyada waaye
That was the one you failed.
Wende
You know, wallahi, I didn't play it before.
Luckily, you have choices.
oh Azerbaijan
No.
Azerbaijan okay Rwanda Allah taxadka
Wales, why? Rwanda. Choose Rwanda. Which one is Rwanda? Tan nasiib ay ku dooranaysaa waa weyn.
aniga niyada taan waa qalad
Yes.
You're wrong. If you press and this comes out, you're wrong.
Yes, it's me.
okay aniga waaye markan
Hey.
So
This is Rwanda.
Yeah,
This
okay, we
fella.
will know now. Don't worry.
mar dambe ka anigu yeah Belarus
turn.
taa ma ahan taana ma ahan
Belarus.
Belarus
No.
Europa
What does it mean? Europa.
Europa
Europa.
yeah
What does it mean?
no Europa is country
This country, this country. The flag, when you press, you will see the name. No, this is Ghana flag.
I thought like.
Yeah. Which one is? Tirinaysa.
Well, no, I want to choose this. I choose. Wallahi, it was like this, but my finger. Wallah, friends. I wanted it like this, but it's okay. 4, still 4.
Your finger is the mistake.
Yeah, but wallah, I want to press this one, not
yeah
this one.
This is Belarus.
Yeah, I want to press this one, but you know, like this. If my finger became like this.
Ah,
That's a problem.
bad luck. Now you have pressed Vietnam.
Okay, nice.
It's okay. This 3, no problem. This 3, you're gonna choose from this 3. Whose turn is this? Our turn or your turn?
for me
You finish this.
This
Okay,
one.
now you.
Maldives. This 3.
Yes, I know.
Maldives.
Even this my dream country.
Hi.
oh
Mm-hmm.
okay
It's so near from here. So near from here.
Choose. Now.
oh
It's your turn.
which
choose.
one naa qalab san
I
badiyaa
think this one.
no qalab
One only is remaining, so you can. Ma heli kartid hal xabo la soo.
maxaa hal xabad soo hadhayna
Only one.
Waxaad ka faa'iidaystay
My-
You know,
Already
it
one
was
minute.
moon.
Only one is clear. It's this one, Maldives.
oh okay
It's a moon one. Yeah.
Why? meeqa haysataa adi?
No, my
Still
friend.
7. And you?
6.
6.
6. And you?
4.
4. This 7, 6.
Yeah.
4. So
last week
Not last.
I will ask.
Not last.
Wait, you have 4, she have 7, she have 6. I will ask 3 more questions. If you don't reach, the game is over. Okay? 3 more rounds. Okay, your turn.
oh
Yeah.
no this oh yeah
Yes, so 7, 7.
7
4. So,
aniga
your turn.
this one
Iran.
Iran
Go.
So 8, 7. Wait.
I think I will lose because I don't know.
It's okay. Just wait. Azerbaijan. Okay. 8-8.
Yeah.
Okay. This one came back.
Yes, this one.
Oh.
Because this one.
5.
5.
5-4. Hi.
5.
This one?
Yeah.
No. Don't tell.
Don't tell. This
No,
is
this
your
one?
competition. Pararara. Waa laga reena oo game kan saas ku eegay ugu yaa. 8-8. No more round. I already asked 3 flags. You failed? La ilaha illallah. So now you get
Yeah, 6.
Way بدي سو قررتاي.
Yes.
Okay, last round.
Last round 1.
So you are
6, 8.
Yeah.
Me?
yes.
This Denmark, I think. No.
Not Denmark.
This is the last round. If you fail and she
Close. Bravo.
okay.
Bravo.
So the game is over. Wait. So give me.
Sorry, Pakistan.
Sorry, Pakistan and Syria.
Pakistan and Syria. Second number, first number, second number, and third number.
ugu horeysay aan ballan qaaday inaan guulidiisa hooyan doono walwalinayo ilaa Syria insha Allah way badin doontaa Pakistan laftigeeda insha Allah she's win next day.
No, she did not win. Next time, inshallah, soo adkee. Maanta waxaa reesay Soomaaliya, Syria iyo Pakistan ayaa tartamayeen. Waxaa laga raayay Pakistan iyo Syria, Soomaaliya ayaa reesay. oo soo duceynaysa inaan u maleynayo comments-ka iyo meelaha sarteen oo kusoo qorteen. Anyways, maanta videogan halkan ayuu ku eegay. Inta videogan waxay ku kulmi doonaa idinka tagayna sidaas iyo mac salaama. Bye bye.